going to discuss about the most important MCQs regarding name of capitals, currencies and parliaments of the world. First of all, we have Afghanistan. Parliament name is National Assembly, which is also called Jirga. Capital is Kabul. Currency is Afghan, Afghani, and it is formed in 1926 June. Next we have Algeria. Parliament name is Barlaman, capital is Algiers, currency is Algerian dinar, and it is formed in July 5, 1962. Next is Angola. Parliament name is National Assembly, capital is Luanda, currency is Angolan Kwanza, and it is formed in November 11, 1975. Next country is Argentina. Parliament name is National Congress. Capital is Buenos Aires. Currency is peso and it is formed in July 9, 1816. Next we have Azerbaijan. Parliament name is Milli Majlis. The capital is Baku and the currency is Mannat. It is formed in October 18, 1991. Next is Bahamas. Parliament is Parliament. Capital is Nassau. Currency is Bahamian dollar and it is formed in July 10, 1973. Next we have is Bahrain. Parliament name is Al Majlis Al Watani. Capital is Manama. Currency dinar and it is formed in 1971. Next country is Bangladesh. Parliament name is Jatia Sangsad. Capital is Dhaka and currency is Taka. And this country is formed in March 26, 1971. Next we have Brazil. Parliament is National Congress, capital is Brasilia, currency is Brazilian real, and it is formed in September 07, 1822. Next is Bulgaria. Parliament is National Assembly, capital is Sofia, currency is Bulgarian lev, and it is formed in 1681 AD. Next we have Chile. Parliament name is National Congress and capital is Santiago. Currency is Chilean peso and it is formed in February 12, 1818. Next country is China. Parliament name is National People Congress. Capital is Beijing. Currency is yuan and it is formed in October 1, 1949. Next country is Cyprus. Parliament is House of Representative, capital Nicosia, currency euro and it is formed in February 19, 1959. Next we have Denmark. Parliament name is Folketinget, capital is Copenhagen, currency is Danish krone. It is formed in June 5, 1849. Next country is Estonia. Parliament name is Riigikogu. Capital is Tallinn. Currency euro and it is formed in February 24, 1918. Next we have Finland. Parliament name is Eduskunta Riksdagen. Capital is Helsinki. Currency euro and it is formed in December 6, 1917. Next we have Greece. Parliament name is Hellenic Parliament, capital Athens, currency euro, and it is formed in March 25, 1821. Next country is Iceland. Parliament is Alþingi or Althing. Capital is Reykjavik. Currency Icelandic krona. Formed in June 17, 1944. Next country is India. Parliament name is Sansad. Capital of India is New Delhi. Currency is Indian rupee. And this country is formed in August 15, 1947. Next country we have is Indonesia. Parliament is House of Representative. Capital is Jakarta. Currency is rupiah. It is formed in August 17, 1945. Next we have Iran. Parliament name is Majlis-e-Shura-e Islami. Capital is Tehran. Currency is Iranian Rial and it is formed in April 1, 1971. Next country is Ireland. Parliament name is Oireachtas. Capital is Dublin. Currency is Euro and it is formed in December 29, 1937. Next country is Israel. Parliament is Knesset. Capital Jerusalem. Currency is shekel and it is formed in May 14, 1948. Next is Italy. Parliament name is Parlamento Italiano. Capital is Rome. Currency is Euro and it is formed in June 1946. Next country is Japan. Parliament is Diet. Capital Tokyo. Currency is yen and this country is formed in February 660 BC. Next we have is Kuwait. Parliament is Majlis-e-Al-Umma, which is also called National Council. Capital is Kuwait City. Currency is Kuwaiti dinar and it is formed in June 1961. Next country is Myanmar. Parliament is Assembly of Union. Capital is Naypyidaw. Currency is Kyat. It is formed in January 4, 1948. Next country is Malaysia. Parliament is Diwan Rakyat. Capital is Kuala Lumpur. Currency is ringgit. It is formed in September 16, 1963. And next country is Maldives. Parliament is People's Majlis. Capital is Malé. Currency is rufiya and it is formed in July 26, 1965. Next is Mexico. Parliament name is Congress of the Union. Capital is Mexico City and currency is Mexican peso. It is formed in September 16, 1810. Next we have is Netherlands. Parliament is Staten General. Capital is Amsterdam. Currency is Euro and this country is formed in May 15, 1648. Next is New Zealand. Parliament name is House of Representative. Capital is Wellington. Currency is New Zealand dollar and it is formed in September 26, 1907. Next we have is Norway. Parliament name is Storting. Capital is Oslo. Currency is Norwegian krone and this country is formed in May 17, 1814. Next country we have is Pakistan. Parliament is Majlis-e-Shura. Capital is Islamabad. Currency is rupee and it is formed in August 14, 1947. Next we have North Korea. Parliament is Supreme People's Assembly. Capital is Pyongyang. Currency is North Korean won. It is formed in October 3, 1945. Next we have Philippines. Parliament is Congress. Capital is Manila. Currency is Philippine peso. And this country is formed in July 4, 1946. Next is Russia. Parliament name is Federal Assembly, which is also called Duma. Capital is Moscow. Currency is ruble and it is formed in December 25, 1991. Next country is South Korea. Parliament name is National Assembly of Republic of Korea. Capital name is Seoul. Currency is South Korean won and it is formed in August 15, 1948. Next is Spain. Parliament is the Cortes. Capital is Madrid. Currency is Euro and it is formed in December 6, 1978. Next country is Switzerland. Parliament name is Federal Assembly. Capital is Bern. Currency is Swiss franc and this country is formed in September 12, 1848. Next we have is Syria. Parliament name is Majlis al-Shab. Capital is Damascus. Currency is Syrian pound and it is formed in April 17, 1946. Next country is Tajikistan. Parliament name is Supreme Assembly, which is also called Majlis Uli. Capital is Dushanbe. Currency is Somoni and it is formed in September 9, 1991. Next is Tanzania. Parliament name is Bunge. Capital is Dodoma. Currency is shilling and this country is formed in December 9, 1961. Next is Thailand. Parliament name is the National Assembly of Kingdom. Capital is Bangkok. Currency is Baht and it is formed in 1238. Next country is Turkey. Parliament name is the Grand National Assembly. Capital is Ankara. Currency is Lira and it is formed in October 29, 1923. Next country is United Kingdom. Parliament name is House of Commons and House of Lords. Capital is London. Currency is pound and it is formed in 1922. Next we have is Zimbabwe. Parliament name is Parliament. Capital is Harare. Currency is Zimbabwe dollar and it is formed in April 18, 1980. Thank you for watching this video.